Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious recipes. Today we have an incredibly flavorful dish for you, Birria Tacos. So, let's get started. First, we'll prepare the birria marinade. In a blender, combine 4 dried guajillo chilies, 2 dried ancho chilies, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Now, it's time to marinate the meat. Take 2 pounds of beef chuck roast. Cut into chunks and place them in a large bowl. Pour the birria marinade over the meat, making sure each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Take a large oven-safe pot or Dutch oven and heat it over medium to high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and sear the marinated beef chunks until browned on all sides. Once browned, add 3 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of water, 2 bay leaves, and 1 cinnamon stick. Stir everything together and bring it to a simmer. Now, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and transfer it to the preheated oven. Let the birria cook for 3 to 4 hours until the meat becomes tender and easily shreds apart. While the birria is cooking, let's prepare the taco garnishes. Finely chop some fresh cilantro and dice a white onion. Slice a lime into wedges and set them aside. It's time to check on our birria. Remove the pot from the oven and using 2 forks, shred the meat into smaller pieces. The meat should be tender and juicy, infused with all the flavors from the marinade. Heat a large skillet over medium to high heat. Take a corn tortilla and dip it into the cooking juices from the birria, coating both sides. Place the tortilla in the hot skillet and sprinkle some shredded cheese on one half. Fold the tortilla in half and press it down with a spatula. Cook the taco for about 2 minutes on each side until the tortilla is crispy and the cheese is melted. Repeat the process for the remaining tortillas. Finally, it's time to assemble our birria tacos. Take a crispy tortilla and fill it generously with the shredded birria. Top it with freshly chopped cilantro, diced onions, and a squeeze of lime juice. And there you have it, mouth-watering birria tacos, ready to be devoured. The tender, flavorful meat paired with a crispy tortilla and vibrant garnishes make this dish an absolute delight. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember, cooking is all about the joy of creation, regardless of who's behind the camera. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes from our faceless kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content. Until next time.